How to fix WhatsApp sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody. I will show you how to fix this. So let's do it. Open the settings of your mobile phone, click on the apps option, search for WhatsApp and click. Come here guys to the storage option, click clear cache only and just back. After that click on force stop and click OK. Now what you should do, go to Play Store or App Store and right now update your WhatsApp, and after updating your WhatsApp restart your mobile phone and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and bye.